Watch the bush behind it. Oh, that's very good. So this is going to be the first time for fishing for a very long time. It's been like 20 years or something, but this family talked me into all this. So we are at Hinze Dam, not far away from the Gold Coast, and about 100 kilometers from Brisbane. We just have a family day out, and I thought we're gonna try our luck out fishing. So let's see how we go.
Okay, where are we going that way?
Okay, you're the leader.
Okay. I want to go fishing.
We are going fishing.
Whoa!
Yeah, we're gonna have to have a look at that.
It's like a water slide. Like dangerous.
It is a water slide, but dangerous. So, what to do next?
Fishing.
Go fishing. Yeah, we can try. It's going to be an interesting experience, that's for sure. Since how long have I been fishing? 20 years ago.
You caught a stingray.
Yeah. And the weather, guys, we cannot ask for any better than this. Not too hot, not too cold.
It's too hot.
It's not too hot. It's what, 24 degrees, something like that.
This is 24.
Yeah,
Feels like 28.
if you are on the sun, but it's okay. And then there is a coffee shop up there where you can get a little meal or coffee, drink, cold drinks,
Milkshake.
milkshakes, which you already had milkshakes. You want another one?
Yes.
So it is a man-made lake, and it is also a water supply to about 500,000 people living on the Gold Coast in Australia. So we are going on a wall there. So there's a fair bit of wildlife in here as well. So we go and have a look at the spillway in here. As I said before, the dam is at low capacity, so the spillway is rather small at the moment. Okay, so enough of this there, and we are really going to find a fishing spot. But we have to drive somewhere where we're allowed to fish, because we weren't allowed to fish around here. So we try to find another spot. We need a hat.
Oh, this is itchy.
That's not a hat. Okay, ready?
Yes.
How ready?
I don't know.
Fisherman?
Okay. I don't know how to use this.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
We are going to learn it on the go.
I don't like that word.
What?
I don't like the word on the go.
Why?
Because
That's,
we don't know what. Oh, they have boats.
yeah.
Cool.
Okay, let's have a look, see. Gonna find a good fishing spot. Hopefully the fish plentiful. And we can have dinner.
Wait, what?
We're gonna have fish for dinner.
We're gonna eat them.
Yes.
Oh, cool. If we even catch any.
Yeah, we will. Be positive. Okay, so we probably go further down the footpath there.
There's too many trees.
Alright. Hopefully we're not gonna tip over and fall into the lake straight away.
Yeah.
Oh, it's bumpy. Careful. Alright. I wonder how many snakes are here.
What?
Snakes.
Why?
They live in the bush.
Oh.
And we are in Australia.
Ow!
Okay.
I don't like this.
Oh,
Oh, spiky.
there you go.
Bee. Ow!
Oh, it's fine in here.
I got stabbed in the leg 16 times. Nothing's biting.
This spider web on me
Wait,
is
which way do I turn it? Do I turn
more strong than the fishing line.
Do I turn it this way or do I turn it this way?
It stick to me.
Ew. Why is it yellow?
Yeah, it's spider web. Good. Oh, it's gone.
Do I turn it this way or do I turn it
Yeah, when this way.
this
When
way?
you wanna reel it in, but just gonna be careful there because
So do I turn it this way?
Hmm?
Do I turn it this way?
that's where you reel it in.
This way?
No, this way.
This way?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's moving.
Oh,
Oh,
oh. It nibbled.
yeah, it's moved.
Wait, we
But
can turn it
probably
again
gone. The
before.
chicken's gone probably.
Oh.
The fisherman's luck. He's stuck on a tree. Okay, try again. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's already tangled up a bit. Put some bite on. Today we have some chicken for the fish.
Chicken worm. Whoa. Oh, that wasn't that far.
You wind it back a bit. And then you hold it because it's yours. Oh, see? Now that's better.
Yay.
Now, there you go. See, you are getting better.
Yay.
I'll leave it there, actually, it's fine. As the fish can come out here, they want the food.
Stuck.
So far we caught a bunch of weed, thanks to my helper. Or my, it's kind of a blind leading the blind. But
Reel stuck in there. We caught a weed. That's our first catch. Eat the worm. It's a very good worm, I promise you.
so guys, so far there's no fish at all. We had a few bites, but that's about it. So looks like we are going home without a fish. But anyway, it was a nice morning and we are straight heading to the fish shop, I suppose, if you want to eat fish. Now the rules are you can take a boat on Hinze Dam, however, you cannot take any other than electric boat or just a dinghy, you know. There is no petrol engine or anything like that allowed on this dam. I think the reason for that is because they're trying to keep it clean and avoiding the fuel spills and stuff like that.